Hi beautiful, you're here for the Pilates Scooter breakdown, so let's get to it. To see more content like this and to support the channel, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on that notification bell if you don't want to miss a video. There are 4 common mistakes I see when people perform the Pilates Scooter. The first is losing tracking over the knee. A lot of times the knee will collapse towards the big toe instead of staying aligned with the second and third toes. The second thing I see is people putting weight on that back leg. The third thing I see is people too upright in their upper bodies, which then engages the lower back. And lastly, I won't see any engagement of the glute max with the moving leg. All right, so let's get into it. We're gonna be standing in parallel with our feet hip width apart, not as wide as the pelvis. You do want to lean forward. Make sure that you're not standing upright. This is gonna also help you fire up the glute of the standing leg more. Make sure that the standing leg knee is over the second and third toes. You're going to then extend the back leg out behind you without putting any weight on it, keeping the standing leg knee over the second and third toes and long spine. And then you'll bring it back to home base and repeat. You do want to feel that glute max working of the moving leg. You also want to keep your pelvis very still so that it's not rotating. You're gonna feel a lot of work for the standing leg. That's totally normal. But do make sure you're feeling that glute max working of the moving leg. You wanna do as many as you can until you feel like you start to compensate, and then you wanna rest. If you notice one side feels weaker than the other, you wanna do more reps for your weaker side to create balance in the body. Make sure you're breathing, using your abs, navel to spine on the exhale. This also works your balance, which is great. All of this is really good for gait mechanics. Oh, I'm starting to feel the burn now. Time for me to switch sides. Going into the second side. Making sure that the standing leg knee is tracking over the second and third toes. Feeling the glute of the standing leg working. Really anchoring down through the standing leg foot. Using your breath. Exhaling navel to spine. Feeling the glute max of the moving leg fire up. Make sure you're not putting weight on that moving leg when it extends back behind you. Long spine, head in line with your spine. I'm already starting to feel a burn on this side, so I know that this second side is my weaker side, so I know I want to do more reps for this side. I am feeling the burn. One more. Nice. How are you feeling after doing that exercise? I definitely feel my glutes. Do you? Remember, you don't want to feel any numbing, burning, tingling sensations, and obviously you don't want to feel any acute pain. If you do, you want to stop and rest. This exercise should help your body feel like your glutes are getting stronger and that your pelvic and knee stability is getting stronger. Pay attention to how your body's responding to the exercise. It's possible that it may not be right for you, and that's fine. Remember to do more reps for your weaker side. You're only as strong as your weakest link. Try doing this exercise 4 times a week to build up the strength and endurance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got something good out of this video. Ready for the next one? Check it out. Want more access to Vital 7, ad-free content, exclusive content, early access to content? Find out why Vital 7's on Patreon. I look forward to being with you in the next video. Bye for now.